Today, we take you on one of the best tiger safaris of our life. Today, we are tracking F2, the iconic female tigress with 5 cubs, who are often spotted walking on the forest mud roads of Gothangaon. We just had this one afternoon to spot the cubs, and we were hoping for magic. And there they were, sitting by a rainwater puddle on this hot afternoon. This little cub was mere 50 steps away from our gypsy. Look at him panting. It's the heat. He observes us keenly. His other siblings and mother F2 couldn't be very far. And there, the second cub appears. The F2 tigress of Karhandala Gothangaon has become one of central India's most iconic wild tigers, widely known as the Queen of Gothangaon. Her story is special for several reasons that have made her famous among wildlife enthusiasts and photographers across India. Now the third cub joins the siblings, and she's straight onto the road. Looks like she is the next roadshow queen. Watch how her siblings crane their legs to look where she went. F2 is the granddaughter of Tadoba's legendary tigress Maya, one of India's most photographed wild tigers, and the daughter of Fairy and Surya, who migrated from Tadoba to Karhandala. This litter contributed significantly to the growing tiger population in the Karhandala sanctuary. Her appearances walking with all 5 cubs along roads and fields near Gothangaon mesmerized visitors and turned the region into a buzzing wildlife destination. The cubs start getting into the water one by one as the sun climbs. They probably have just had a meal, which would also lead to more thirst and heat. Each cub follows the same pattern. They sit and observe us. Then, seeing no threat, they go to the waterhole to get a drink, looking up cautiously and curiously after every few gulps. The cubs are always alert, their instincts already quite mature for their age. Ears twitch, eyes fix, the cubs freeze, not out of fear but curiosity. To them, these moving beasts are part of their landscape, noisy, predictable, but never ignored. Their mother, perhaps resting nearby, will decide if the moment calls for caution or calm. As the heat weighs heavier and their energy fades, the cubs settle back into the puddle, half submerged, eyes half closed. It's a fleeting moment of innocence in a life that will soon demand stealth, courage, and solitude. But today, they are simply siblings, bound by play, by water, and by the wild heart of the jungle. It's almost funny how these cubs follow each other. So much so that even the spot they choose to sit and watch us is exactly the same. Watching them just go about their day so close to us is a privilege. At this size and age, tiger siblings are very playful with each other, often wrestling, pouncing, chasing, and engaging in friendly mock fights or sneak attacks, much like typical sibling rivalry behaviors in many species. These interactions help them develop essential social skills and physical coordination needed for adult life. And there comes F2, the iconic tigress and mother to these 5 cubs. Additionally, siblings bond through grooming each other, reinforcing their connections which can last even after they leave their mother. Such playful yet competitive encounters are common and vital for their growth and survival skills.